January 26th, 2021 focus question. All right, so we still have our same scenario. Devin kept track of his math tests for a total of 5 weeks. He scored the following percentages on his tests. Find the range of the given data. So first of all, the mode we found yesterday was the number that we saw the most of, and there was none, so we just put no mode. Now we're going to find the range. Remember, the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So what I like to do is put them in order first. So we have a 50%, 75%, 80%, 85%, and 95%. So we're going to take the biggest number, which is 95, and we're going to subtract the smallest number, which is 50. So 95 minus 50. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So our answer is going to be 45. And you can put percent because the range is about 45%. And that's all you have to do for the range. Just the biggest number minus the smallest number. Great job.